Hello everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Capricorns for December 2018. Happy birthday to some of you guys. Okay, I just want to put out there that I am doing a special offering, a limited time only. I'm doing free readings to anybody who subscribes to my channel and shares any one of my videos to social media. Once you guys have done so, you can find my email below. Email me with the question that you may have. And once I've seen that you have subscribed and shared, I will do a one drawing from the messages from the angels. I'll take a picture of that card and I'll email it to you, as well as give you some insight on what that card means regarding your situation. Alright, so some of you guys have been watching me for a while. You know that I like to go on with the energy of the planets, the new moons, and what's going on in each sign, okay? So let's dive into it. On December 2nd, we have Venus is entering Scorpio. And we know that Venus is the planet of love, beauty, relationships in Scorpio, which is a new beginning, a new chapter, life, death, and the afterlife. Okay, so you might see a renewal in your relationships. Okay, guys? All right, on December 6th, we have Mercury is turning direct in Sagittarius. Okay, or I'm sorry, it's turning direct in Scorpio. Now, these retrogrades, They are to take time to yourself to make sure that the choices that you're making and the steps that you're making in life really do suit your calling and are for the best of you and the people around you. Now that we're going direct, it's time to move forward with those thoughts that we have meditated on and thought about during the retrogrades. Now is the time, once the energy is settled, now is the time to sign those contracts, to sign that lease, whatever it might be that you really have your heart set on. Maybe buying a big appliance, okay? During the retrogrades isn't really the time to do that. But now that we are turning direct, go ahead forth with whatever it is that you've been manifesting. All right, on the 7th, we have a new moon in Sagittarius. Okay, a new moon is a very low energy point of the month, and the fact that we are doing so in Sagittarius, you're going to try to find that truth, that true meaning behind what it is that you're really trying to manifest. Okay, the new moon, the full moon is when we really try to go forth, because now we have the energy. Okay, they all say people go crazy during the full moon. It's because what they are really putting their energy towards, they haven't really thought about it through the whole month. So you want to make your plans now. That way, when you're full of energy and you have that ability to manifest, you know what it is and you've had a clear mind and have really thought about it, meditated on it, and you know what it is that you're seeking. All right, Capricorns. On the 12th, we have Mercury is entering Sagittarius. Now, Sagittarians, as I might have said, is the truth seekers of the zodiac sign. And Mercury rules communication, okay, networking, getting out there, getting on your soapbox. So whatever it is that you are going to say, you're going to have more truth behind it. So make sure that you do know what it is that you want before you go ahead and speak truthfully to other people that might be harming or it might be disrespectful. Just do it in good kindness. Okay, 'tis the season for it too, right, guys? On the 22nd, which might be some of you guys' birthday, on the 22nd we have a full moon in Cancer, and Cancer's ruler is in fact the moon. Okay, so a full moon in Cancer is going to be a little bit emotional, because Cancers are very family oriented, keeping the tribe together, and they can also be definitely a little unbalanced when it comes to their emotions. So the full moon being in their sign, it might be a little chaotic for your Cancer friends, as well as it does affect you. Okay. All right, Capricorn, so let's jump into the reading. I am going to pull a couple cards from the traditional Rider-Waite deck, as well as I'm going to do a card from the messages from the angels for you guys. And I will zoom in up on the table at the end of the reading so you can get a little closer look on the cards itself, okay? All right. If some of you guys would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email. I do over the phone, Facebook, pre-recorded. Let me know. All right. So what am I going to get here for my Capricorns for December 2018? You guys are of an earth element. You guys are ruled by the 10th house. My lovely Capricorns. Your ruler is Saturn, which Saturn has been in your sign since 2017 and will remain there until 2020. So now is your time to shine, to make those decisions, okay? Your ruler is in your sign and you got that wind beneath your wings. Don't set limitations now, okay? I know you guys are good at that. All right. Oh my. Oh my. Very nice. Okay, so we are starting off with the 8 of Wands. Okay, Wands represent inspirations, okay, what it is that you want from life. And this card represents swiftness, something that needs immediate attention, okay? It could be your education, it could be your career, it could be maybe leaving a dead-end job or a dead-end relationship too as well. Or tending to the relationship. If your marriage isn't doing so hot right now, you guys really need to take step forward to reconnect, okay, to rekindle. And I do see hope for some of you guys that are holding on to a relationship that you do see yourself growing old with. And for some of you guys that are leaving one, okay, and you're thinking, I'm never going to be happy, I'm never going to find love. Well, you guys have the 10 of Cups, so it's going to be more clear for you guys. Some of you guys are going to rekindle with your spouse and your loved ones, perhaps even your family. Some of you guys might not be on good terms with your siblings, your cousins, or even your long life friends. This is going to change. I feel like it is 'tis the season too. You might get a call from somebody that you haven't heard from in a while, or an invite to a family holiday gathering, or even just you know, a postcard or something like that, an email. This is one of the best cards I feel like to have in your readings, because you could just see that it is truly blissful. The Cups represents emotions, so I feel like your emotions will be more settled during this month. This could even just be somebody reaching out for wishing you a happy birthday too as well. You could see that there's a happy family dancing around, there's a gorgeous house in the background, and the land is just so fertile. So with this card, I want you to accept help from other people, as well as if you are in the position to give help to other people, do so, because good karma brings on good karma. Okay, positive energies attract positive energies. Do not dwell on the coulda, shoulda, woulda of past relationships, that toxic ex, or that dead-end job that just really made you feel like crap because they didn't value your assets that you could bring to the team. Move forward, my Capricorns, because you are ending with the 5 of Swords. So there might be some type of conflict with others. This could just be you really walking away with what it is you deserve. As you could see that this young man has so many swords that he is not even able to carry them. And also you could see that there are 2 figures in the background who definitely look hurt. Okay, maybe not physically, but definitely mentally, okay? So just make sure with whatever relationships or perhaps getting in touch with other people that you are doing it, again, in good karma, okay? You don't want to have too much water under the bridge when it comes to breaking off relationships. Even if some of you guys are looking to quit your job, please put in your 2 weeks, okay? Just don't up and leave. Don't go tell your boss to, you know, because it's not going to do in good karma, okay? You might so badly just want to just leave and quit dramatically, but don't do so. For breaking up with, you know, your marriage, or perhaps even somebody you're dating, just make sure you're not being spiteful. And it's very easy when emotions come into it to get really spiteful. This could also represent the full moon in Cancer too, just being overly, outwardly emotional. We don't want to take that route. We want to make sure that it is done, again, in good karma. I can't stress that enough, because it will come back to bite you. Even as much as you feel that you deserve to leave like that, or to say whatever it is that needs to be said, just make sure that it is truly speaking from your heart, okay? All right, so let's do one card for my Capricorns for December 2018. You guys are an earth element. Your ruler is Saturn. You guys are out of the 10th house. So what do my guides and spirits have to say with the messages from the angels? Okay, we have the 6 of Earth. Gifts of money, time, or effort, new career opportunities, receiving a loan, or paying off debts. Yeah, that seems about right. Now, for the money and gifts and time and effort, that could be somebody coming into celebrating your birthday late December or early January. The new career opportunities, I do feel like a lot of you guys need to take a next step with your career. Some of you guys, just your career just might straight up be your current job, I should say. It could just be straight up depressing. Now, that's not good, okay? You need to really do love what you do and at least take pride and passion in it too as well. Receiving a loan or paying off debts. This could be inheritance. Okay, this could be getting accepted for that loan or leasing your car. It could also be just an extra special something that somebody's going to give to you for the holidays, or it could be giving too as well. You might know somebody, a friend, family, or coworker that is really not doing good in life. It could be health. They could be having health issues. They could be having family issues, and just reaching out and really, giving them a hand, because what's done in good karma comes back in good karma. Okay. All right, guys, so this pretty much sums up our reading for December 2018. Like I said, if you would like to book a private reading with me, let me know, but please take advantage of those free readings, okay, guys? I love hearing from you. All right, guys, this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful December.